Alright guys, I'm back. I should be back now. Let me know if you guys see me. Sorry. Alright, I should be back. Alright, sorry guys. This whole thing went out of whack. I don't know what the heck happened, but yeah, my internet like tripped out for a second. Yo. Yeah. Yeah, I'm back online. I'm back online. Huh? Yeah, I don't know what happened, man. Like it just completely the internet went to shit, but I'm back online now. So I'm on live. All right, later. All right, sorry guys. Little technical difficulties. Should be coming back up to speed. Setting the alerts. Setting the alerts. Crossing down per bar close. Did I put this bar close right? Yeah. Sending out the link to the chart. Sending out the link to the chart. Is the YouTube not working? How's the YouTube? Is the YouTube working? Let me know if the YouTube is working. Should be working now, fine. Should be working fine. Should be working fine now. Oh shit. Okay, yeah, good. Back. Everybody working. Okay, cool. Y'all can hear me. All good. Sorry about that, guys. I don't know what happened, man. I'm sorry. Like, I got it back up though. It's because I have like Wi-Fi and like an Ethernet, and there was a conflict with the IP address, and it just went to shit. Completely disconnected. Did you pay your electricity bill? I mean, yeah, man. Everything stayed on, bro. Like, it was just the internet. Felt weird to be on TikTok. Yeah, no, we back. All right, let's look at gold, guys. All right, so I sent out the chart for GJ. You guys got that. Let's look at gold real quick. Set it up. It's already 12:21, so let's kind of hurry here. I'm gonna go kind of fast. All right. Oh shit, that's not what I want. Reset chart. Clean the charts. Looking at the monthly. Looks like it's coming down. Rejected previous month, pushing up right now. Bullish candle this month. We got 22 days left. Looking at the weekly, looks like it pushed up, consolidating here. Looking at the daily, got some price action to the upside, pulled back, retesting the break here. Higher lows, creating new highs there on the daily. Let's look at the 4 hour. Establish our tops and bottoms. Tops and bottoms, tops and bottoms. Okay. The 1 hour to refine it. Oh, is this thing freaking lagging again? Jesus. I swear to God. Yeah, I'll make the chart bigger right now. Just let me mark it up first. So in the 1 hour, move down to the 15-minute. There's a range right here. It's about 14 pips. It's not good enough. Fucking shit. I swear this thing is like... And honestly, I'm gonna avoid all these wicks right there. That's good. $27, 46, and 58. About 20 pips right there, not bad. Pips to that. 42 pips there. So here's gold. Oh my gosh. I don't know what the hell's going on here. Yeah. I don't know. Alright, did I send this out? Like my whole computer is like lagging. Like I don't know if y'all see my mouse, but it's like skipping. It's really annoying me, guys. It's all good, man. I'm not gonna let it get to me. There goes the gold chart in the chat. And sending it out in the free Telegram chat. Alright. This whole thing is just lovely today. Is that my computer fan? Maybe it's one. Yeah, I don't know, man. It's driving me insane though. Okay. None of this is working. Like, why? I don't know. Like my viewer count thing like went away. Everything is just messing up. I don't know why. I'm not doing anything right now, guys. Like we wait for the market to tell us. I've already set up alerts, so we wait for the alerts to execute. There. Jesus. I don't know what happened, man. I had to like redo the whole thing. Alright. Alright, everything should be working now. I think. Okay, connected. Telegram. That is out. Jesus Christ. All right. So, questions. How's everybody doing besides the little technical issues? I don't know what happened, guys. Like, it just completely crapped out on me, but everything's going good now. This is Gold. This is GJ. We're just going to be patient, guys. You know how we do. We're patient. We wait for the charts to set up in our favor. And then we execute. I wonder... There's a little range right here. Oh, it's only 12 pips. Never mind, never mind, never mind, never mind. I did notice, like, I was looking at the stream. Oh, by the way, guess what? We hit 2,000 subscribers, guys. That's awesome. Thanks. Thanks so much for the love. Thanks for subscribing. If you guys didn't notice, got a new banner, got a new profile pic. We're upgrading, y'all. We're upgrading. Yeah. So 2,000 subs. Blow the horn. Let's see. Blow the horn for the 2,000 subs. So guys, if you're just joining us and if you're new to the channel, I want to explain something to you guys. What we do here is we set up a range for price to break out. Okay. In this range, we don't determine whether or not we're going to buy or sell. We let the market do that. Remember, our job as traders is not to predict price. Our job as traders is to react to price. Okay, so what we'll do here is we'll be patient. We'll wait for price to do its thing, and then we'll jump into the market. Once it's determined, hey, okay, we're going to go up or we're going to go down. So for everyone coming in here watching, they're like, hey, buy or sell, we're in trade. Look, we're not in anything yet. We don't let the market bully us. We're patient. We're going to let it set up. We're going to let the alert trigger. And then we're going to read the price action and make a determination if that is a trade for us and if we should take it. Okay? So hopefully that makes sense. All the new people that are joining, welcome to Lord Banks FX. I am your host, Lord Banks. I live trade Forex, commodities, and indices. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, 12 a.m. Central Standard Time to 4 a.m. Central Standard Time. Welcome, welcome. Welcome, guys. I see a lot of new names. Where's everybody from? Comment your country. Let's see if we're global today. Where's everybody from today? California, Slovenia, Toronto, South Africa, Romania, India, Trinidad and Tobago, New Jersey, Kenya, Salt Lake City, Utah, Ethiopia, India, Caraco, UK, Indonesia, Colorado, Hartford, Connecticut, Venezuela, Baltimore, South Africa, Jamaica, Sweden, Germany, Kenya, UK, Trinidad, nice. Uganda, South Africa, welcome, welcome, welcome. Hey, thanks for the shares, guys. Thanks for liking the stream. I appreciate it. Much love. I know I had a lot of technical difficulties at the beginning, but we're back on track and we're getting on it. I see everybody coming from all over the place. Mexico City, Costa Rica, South Carolina, Malaysia, Somalia. Welcome, welcome, guys. Thanks for joining the stream. Thanks for joining the stream. Let's see why that's not working. Yeah, man, I'm not good at none of this freaking thing. Like, your backyard. That's right. Yes, I am live right now. Thanks for asking. Alright, I'm gonna try to fix this. So that way you guys can see. Let's try to make this a little bigger. And we'll save those settings. I think it's working now. Yes? Alright. I think I fixed it. Can you guys see the chat on yeah, on the screen, right? You guys can see that? I think so. Yeah. It's kind of small. I don't know how to make it bigger. Oh, I guess like that. Okay. That's good enough. Yeah, hopefully it's working out. Maybe that's too big. No, we're not in a trade right now, guys. Like, chill out. Like, you guys are... You get, like, way over anxious, like... Yeah, like I said, we're waiting for a breakout above or below. Okay. Gold, same thing. Waiting for a breakout above or below. So, just be patient. Be patient. I'm gonna zoom in like quite a bit because I know some of you guys on the live stream can't see it. So hopefully like this you guys can see it better. Yo guys, grab yourself a smoothie to relax. Let them know, CJ, let them know. Looking great stuff. That's funny. I'm viewing on my big screen TV. Nice. Yeah, so just being patient, waiting for this thing to break out. Damn, like that's way too big. Why is it doing that? Alright, let me try to fix this. That's the best I can do, guys. GJ is breaking. Like, I have alerts, so breaking where? Breaking what? Breaking this right here? Alright, let's look to the left. Because if that was the break, I don't know why I would put the red line up here. Just for shits and giggles, I guess. So where are you gonna go? To this level right here? You're gonna take 3 pips? Or you're gonna go to this level right here? That's like 10 pips. Depending on where the candle closes, that might be 8 pips. You're gonna risk to this level, what is that? 27, 37, 47, 20 pips for 8 pips. Good luck. Gotta do it for the joke. I'm just showing you, like, people are like telling me it's breaking out and like, I have alerts, guys. It's gonna alert me whenever it's ready. I haven't got an alert. So let's calm down. Take it easy, you know. Let's not be in a rush. We don't have to be in a rush, guys. There's no rush. Let's check the news. And clean day. Beautiful day to trade. Time is it in London right now? 6:44. We got pre-market in about 15 minutes. I don't use indicators, guys. Straight price action, clean charts. I showed you guys that from the beginning. I marked it all up. Top-down analysis. I don't use no indicators. I am the indicator. Just got to be patient, guys. Just be patient. Thanks for the likes, guys. Thanks for the shares. Every single live, guys, I do the exact same analysis, the same markups, the same strategy. So if you want to look at that, if you want to learn it, go back and look at the videos. Straight price action. Straight price action. Just go back and look at my previous lives or replay this one and you'll see the same setup. Same setup. Who was your favorite teacher that you learned from? The market, man. I learned from the market. I didn't have a mentor. The market was my mentor. Best line ever. I am the indicator. That's probably, yes, sir. You guys understand what indicators are, right? Like, think about it. An indicator is basically reading the price data that's printing in front of you, and then reconfiguring that into a different graphical display, like whether that be a line or clouds or colors or whatever. That's all it's doing. It's taking the price data that is printing out in front of us and reinterpreting it in a different way. That's all it's doing. Okay? So I can see the price in front of me and read it for myself. And I don't need an indicator that's delayed to look at the price data and interpret it for me. Does that make sense? This works with any pairs, guys. Any pairs. Any pairs. Except I wouldn't use this on indices. And gold, you just have to be careful. You can use breakout, but just understand gold likes to spike and do liquidity grabs. But currency pairs, as long as because you understand what we're doing here. We're leveraging volume in the pre-market and market open. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, focus on those things, and then watch the indicators lag. That's why I don't use them. Yeah, me neither. Are you planning to sell? I make a plan for a buy and a sell, and whatever the market decides to do, whether it's go down or up, I'm ready. I have my breakout zones. I have my targets. I have my areas of interest. where that's based on 4-hour levels of support and resistance, or key areas, supply and demand zones, whatever you want to call it. Pretty dedicated to wake up in your time zone, mate. I mean, you know, it's part of the game, man. Like, the cool thing is that, you know, getting London session out of the way, that's, I trade London and New York. So London I trade with everybody live, and then New York I trade just with my VIP. By the way, I opened up VIP lifetime. Link is in the bio in the description. I'm only going to leave it open for the stream. So whoever's part of the stream, you're welcome. Lifetime promo is open. And at the end of the stream, I will close it. Why do you choose GJ, not UJ or EJ? I mean, I could trade any pair I want, to be honest. Like, but GJ, like I've been trading it for so long. I love the way it moves. I love the volatility in it, and you know, if it's not broke, why fix it? Like, my sleep schedule. I go to bed around like 5 or 6 p.m. and wake up at 11. Sometimes, like today, I couldn't fall asleep, guys. I was like trying to fall asleep like 6 o'clock, and I was just laying in bed till like 10:30, and then I just got up. So I think I maybe took a 30-minute nap. It's all good though, man, because I just, like, remember, I only trade Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Yeah, pre-market or market open is either one. It doesn't matter because there's volume in both. If the setup is there and my setup is triggering in pre-market, then I take the trade. If it's, you know, not triggering till market open, then I take the trade then. Or like yesterday, we took a trade pre-market, and then we took one on gold, hit our stop loss, and then we took a second trade on GJ at market open, and we won on that. So, you know, if the opportunity's there, like I say, guys, I mean, I'm gonna come into the market and I'm gonna take what the market gives me. You know, I'm not trying to be greedy. I'm not trying to take anything less. I'm not trying to overtrade. Whatever the market offers, I'll take. Did you buy yesterday again, US 30 from the bottom? No, I didn't. No, I didn't. But the setup I sent you guys, I don't know if you saw it. There, I'll show you guys. This was the setup yesterday. We had the US 30, and then it hit our stops. And then remember, I was telling you guys, look at the break of this trend. You can get in. If you got in at that break of the trend, when I jumped off our live session, look at it. Look what it did. Look at it. All the way up here. And still, like, I mean, you would have... And look where it went. Remember I told you guys? From zone to zone. Beautifully. Beautifully. Literally. right here, broke the trend line, went all the way up to the zone. I told you guys. Like I set this up for you guys when I was getting off. I said if you want to take this one, this is second chance, break of the trend, you can take that up. It would have been nice. I didn't take it though. I wish I would have, because that would have been really nice. But no, I didn't. And I was looking at something coming down over here, but it like broke and then it like popped back up, and it's just consolidating. But I don't want to talk about US 30 because that's a different strategy, and that's for my VIP. We can talk about that in the Telegram or in our Zoom. Yeah, I think that was about 506 points. Depending on your broker, they could count it like 5,000 pips or 500 pips on US 30. I trade US 30 indices during New York session. During my live session, I do a Zoom session with my VIP group. The chat is not blocking the chart, bro. What do you mean? The chart is not, the chat does not block the chart. Yeah, the gold swing that I sent out to the VIP group, I'm still in that. Yes. US 30, I only send it out to my VIP group. Yeah, I don't trade on Mondays and Fridays. Yeah, US 30 can rip your soul out if you don't know it. Yeah, it sure can. But luckily, I do know what I'm doing. So. Should we do a giveaway? Everyone's asking for a free do you look at fib levels? No, I don't. A friend lost his account because of you. Yeah, I'm sure. US 30 is a beast. And if you lost your account, you probably shouldn't have been trading US 30 in the first place. Like, you should have a decent account size to be trading US 30. No giveaway? No? Alright. Oh, wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. Ugh, it's kind of a big stop. So, GU is setting up nicely for a swing setup that I was waiting on to send out to the VIP group. I know some of you guys were asking for currency setups because gold is too big for you guys to trade. Which you can trade gold if you have like, you know, 100, 150 bucks, 200 bucks in your account. Like, I'm not buying or selling anything right now. I'm waiting for the market. Waiting for the market. Just being patient, guys. Be patient. Everybody's so quick to take a trade, man. Sit on your hands. Be patient. We're not buying or selling nothing right now. We're waiting. First time here, I want to see an example of the way you analyze market. Thank you. Replay the stream. I did these These gold and GJ, I did top-down analysis. I marked it up. These lines here, they're not indicators. They're all lines that I drew up so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Because otherwise, it's just in my head, and you know, you won't know. No, I wouldn't do if you have $100. I wouldn't like. You should not be. Your risk management should dictate what percent of your account you're risking. You should only be risking 1 to 3% of your account. Like, that's why I talk about, like, you shouldn't be, if you're in drawdown, like, or if you're trading something, like, you should not, like, you shouldn't be concerned. You shouldn't be close to blowing your account. You shouldn't be like, oh my gosh, I'm in drawdown. Like, you know, it should not be a thing. And if it is, you're not executing risk management correctly. Yeah, you could trade gold with the $150, $100. Well, it depends on your broker too and the leverage you have. Sorry, my bad. I should have said that. It is 12:59 a.m. where I am. I'm in Central Standard Time Zone, Texas. Yeah, you need to check what the leverage is on, like, your broker for metals, because usually they're not the same for currency. Currency, metals, and commodities usually have different leverage sizes. So yeah, if your broker doesn't offer you know, decent leverage on metals, then you probably can't trade gold if you have a small account. Just being patient, guys, being patient. Bro, I don't know. I mean, you're asking me, using 10,000 USD, how much is a good percent of gain for 1 year using VIP? Like, ask some of my VIP people what your percent returns are. Like, I know a bunch of them that are killing it. Like, what do you guys, anybody in my VIP here know off the top of their head what they made last week percentage wise? My setups are based on price action, identifying a range, and waiting for a breakout. I'm leveraging volume to be able to take a trade. The VIP is $150 a month, but right now for the live stream, anybody on the live stream, I have a lifetime promo where you pay one-time fee and you're in for life. The link is in the bio and the description. Just click on that. It's the first link. Michael Blake said over 200% last week. This dude made over 200% on his account. You probably over leveraged on some of those, but like, congrats, brother. I mean, I've been killing it. I was on a winning streak. I took my first L yesterday. It took me 19. I went 19-0, and then took an L on gold yesterday in the London, and then I took an L on New York session for US 30. But I mean, like, I wouldn't base it off 200%. That's kind of a outrageous outrageous amount. But every day, I mean, you know, if you're risking 1 to 3%, we're hitting one to ones, you're looking at about an average of 1.5% gain a day. So you do that 3 times a day. London, you're talking about 4.5% for London, and then you double it for New York. So you're looking at maybe about 10% a day or 10% a week average. I think I had somebody in my group that made, I think, like 18% return. And that's a little bit more reasonable. Yeah, you over leveraged last week because you had a small account. Yeah. If you have a decent account and you're just trading following normal risk management, I mean, I would say anywhere 15 to 20% a week. But even that's kind of like you don't need to trade all of it. You understand? The best traders shoot for 10% return a month. Yeah, look, FX Bounty Hunter, 11% for the month so far, normal risk trading. Yeah, and it's for the month. It's day 8. It's only been 7 days in the month of June. It's only been 7 days. He's at 11% gain. Like you're already doing better than most great traders. Most great traders shoot for 10% return a month. That's like the rule of thumb. Okay. Now, look, I'm not saying I'm the greatest. I let the numbers speak for themselves, man. I mean, what made you mark your lines on this 15-minute chart? Because I trade on the 15-minute chart. Like, you understand why I trade on the 15-minute chart is because I'm here on a live session for 4 hours. And my goal is to be able to mark up the chart, do my analysis, set up a setup for it to trigger, have it trigger, enter the trade, manage the trade, and take profit all in one live. So if you think about it, like I wouldn't want to trade on the 1 hour, 4 hour, like higher time frames because I'm trying to trade, execute, and get out while I'm on the live. So the 15-minute is perfect. Okay? 15-minute is perfect. I just signed up. Cool. Welcome to VIP, brother. We'll be live from New York. There's a setup on GU, guys. Anyone in my VIP, but it's like 100 pip stop, 132 pip stop. So I'm gonna see if it pulls down a bit more. It's a swing setup for GU. But if it pulls down, if I can get it to around like 80 pip stop, I'll send that out to the VIP. It will be way more than 100%, Florin, because you are compounding at the same time. Yeah, I mean, yeah, for sure. I mean, look, I'm not here to. I'm not trying to give you guarantees of percentages and stuff. Like, all I'm doing is sharing my trades, guys. I'm consistent and profitable, and if you want to ask about that, like, I'll let the VIP people talk for themselves. Adrian Law said, "I did 1,000%. I grew $10 to 100." Jesus Christ, man, y'all are crazy. That's not good examples though, because those are they're over leveraging. They're not good examples. But hey, bro, do you have a new account? No, I don't have any other accounts. This is my only account. Lord Banks with the ZFX on IG, on everything. I won't add any of you guys I won't message you. I won't ask you for anything, like none of that. So please don't get scammed, because a ton of people are getting scammed and they're messaging me and sending me screenshots, and all I can do is report the accounts, man, and you guys can report the accounts. But, you know, I'm sorry if you guys lost money or got scammed. Like, please don't fall for that. Mark, woke up late this morning. Have I missed much? No, we're just waiting for price. Waiting for price to trigger here. Being patient. Just waiting. If you start with $100 and you make consistent trades with $10 lot sizes, after a couple weeks you'll be trading $20 lot sizes and so on. And as you grow the account, you use more. Yeah. You're going to trade GJ or gold. Whatever sets up and whatever gives me the best setup, I will trade. There's people pretending to be you, asking money. Yeah, man, it's not me. I will never ask you guys for money, guys. I will never ask you guys for money. I won't even add you guys on my accounts. Like, I won't even do that. Like, if you look at my Instagram, I follow 0 people specifically for that. Like, if you think it's my Instagram, go see who they're following. They're following all the people that are following my Instagram and telling people, oh yeah, join over here. I don't have WhatsApp. I don't ask you to send Bitcoin. I don't trade for people. I don't, none of that. I come on here, I trade, I show you guys live me trading, and I have the VIP in the Telegram if you want to join that. One thing for sure is VIP very profitable. You're welcome, brother. I try to deliver value. How exactly does a Forex trader like George Soros make $1 billion? Like, isn't there a maximum lot size? Well, he's trading with institutions. Like, you know, he's not even trading his money. He's trading institution money, and he's moving big amounts at a time. So, and usually the way they trade is they don't even look at like candlesticks and patterns and areas. Like, we're retail traders, guys. Like, they trade based off of numbers. So they know, okay, at 167,500, this is where we're gonna short it, because that price makes sense to them, like number wise. Like, they don't care, oh, this is a high here, there's a wick here. Do you think they look at that? No. And not at that level. At the banks and institution level, they do not look at that. We do, because we're retail traders, guys. You understand? We're like, although we can make some good money on here, like, we are crumbs to these guys. We are like literally just pieces of the pie, like crumbs of the pie. We're not even taking a slice. We're taking crumbs. But I'm okay with that. If I'm taking crumbs and it's a few $1,000s, like, hey, I'm going to take it all day. You know, to me, that's good enough. Like, I can eat off that, you know? No, the VIP lifetime right now is $375. The VIP normal price is $150 a month. But just think about it. In 2.5 months, you would have paid the lifetime. The lifetime is one time payment, and you don't pay again. If you sign up for the $150, you're gonna pay every month. So, I mean, do what you want to do. Like, if you want to pay the lifetime, or you want to pay the recurring monthly fee. But I opened the promo because most people they prefer being able to pay one time and then not have to pay anymore. Because once you pay once, you're in there for life. Like, no, I'm just doing it right now, guys. Like, for the people on the live stream, because I've been having a lot of people join and show a lot of support, subscribe and stuff, and it's kind of like my way of, you know, showing my appreciation for you guys. but like when the live stream is done, I turn it off. I turn it off. I just did it yesterday and I did it today. I don't know if I'll do it tomorrow. I'm not sure, but you know, just trying to give you guys, you know, an opportunity to get in. I'm not in a trade, guys. I'm not in a trade right now. We're being patient. We're waiting for a trade to set up. Like, we're just being patient right now. There's no area here for us to take an opportunity. Candlesticks are peanuts for institutions. Yeah, like they don't look at these. The institutions don't care about what we see here. Price action. Oh, you know, this is a engulfing pattern. Like that is not how they trade. You understand that they're trading with such a large amount that it doesn't make a damn of difference for them. Like this little micro stuff we're trading. We're trading this little micro stuff because like our accounts are not a match for banks and institutions. Like banks and institutions are focused on price points. Right? Yeah, I trade gold and GJ and US 30. Those are my main ones. But I mean I have you know, a watch list with other pairs that I look at, and if I have a setup for that triggers, I send it out to my VIP. My VIP gets all my trades. So like my New York, I trade live with them, and if during the day I get an alert for a setup that I've been waiting on, either swing or intraday, I send that out to my VIP. If I'm jumping into, excuse me, if I'm jumping into a trade, I send that out to my VIP. My VIP gets all my trades, and I'll send them out the markup for it, the chart, and you know, they eat with me. London is you guys just get the London live session. So and another thing, like the VIP, the discussions are open. So if you have questions, they're asking questions. I'm there to answer them. You know, we go over them, and you know, we do like breakdowns and the analysis, the markups. You get my trade ideas with entries and exits, and you know, levels, take profit levels, stop levels, and yeah, I mean, any VIP tips for GU? It broke a trend line on the 1 hour, and I'm waiting for a retest and a better entry, because the stop right now, if I was to enter into that setup, would be 130 plus pips stop. So I'm looking for a better entry to where I can get maybe like an 80 pip stop, and that would be a nice trade. Yeah, I have 17 posts on Instagram. Yeah, I'm not very good at keeping up with Instagram and posting. Um, I just like, I don't know, man. I'm not really good at the content stuff. I need to like. So I'm just trying to find someone that can like go on my YouTube live videos and then like cut them into clips of like what I did, and then upload them on my Instagram as like recap videos. But I don't have that kind of time, man. Like I just, I really don't, and I don't really care. Like, you know, I make my money trading, like, so to be posting all this stuff, like, it's just fucking exhausting. I try, man. I mean, at least I post on there that I'm going live. You know, like, you guys can join or not, like. No, I don't trade at all on Monday or Friday, so they wouldn't get a trade idea. Like, I would not I wouldn't send a trade idea on Monday or Friday because I don't trade on Monday or Friday. I need a content manager. Yeah, something, man, because I just find it so boring to have to do that and take up my time, and I have so many other things going on. If I buy VIP and I want to trade US, same like you, what account I need to have? I mean, you need to have a trading account. Trading account, and if you want to trade live on the New York session, you need to have enough to be able to trade US 30, the indice. So how do you want it? Can do it for free? Oh, you talking about the content? DM me, man, and maybe we can work something out. Like, yeah, because really, I just want like my YouTube videos, the lives, like cut them into videos for Instagram, but like the beginning when I do like the analysis, and then like executing the trade, and then the close of the trade, just put that into a little clip. And because these lives, like, they're like 4 hours long, but really like the act of trading, like when we're talking about just a couple of minutes, I think making them into smaller videos and stuff. I want to grab a water, guys. Give me 1 second. All right, I'm back. This guy said on TikTok, this guy's so full of it, he sounds like he's 15. That's funny. Well, thanks for the compliment of me sounding young. How can spot a fake breakout? Well, you want to read the price action, like, is there wicks to the top and bottom, and what do we see previous to that? Is it like filling a wick, or is it breaking out? Where's the current momentum going, the volume going? Sizes of the candles before and after. No one is asking that. Bro, I'm streaming on YouTube, and there's like 300 something people on there asking questions. Like, I'm not trying to be rude here, bro, but it's not all about you and in TikTok. Like, look, let me just show you. You see? There's people on there asking questions. The link is in the bio if you guys want to join the YouTube live. Guys, I don't have a buy or sell. So like the way I trade, you see this red line? If it breaks out above, I'm going to read the price action for potential buy. If it breaks out below, I'm going to read the price action for potential sell. That's the way it works. That's all I wait on. I don't do anything else. I'm not going to say buy or sell, or I'm waiting. I'm waiting for the market to do its thing. What's your music playlist? It's just some playlists off of YouTube, man. Like, I don't know. It's like deep house music, summer house mix. It's like a 5 hour thing. No foo. Yeah, no indicators, no foo. This guy, he's upset. All the best, my bro. Appreciate it. You must be new around here, man. Might be here for 4 hours and not get a trade. I mean, yeah, it's possible. Like we've had like no trade days before. But you know, for me, no trade days are still considered a win. Like any day you don't lose money is a win. You know, you shouldn't put a negative connotation on a no trade day because psychology wise, your psyche, it'll, if you don't like not having no trade days, then you'll start forcing trades, right? Cowboys new around these parts. Nah, it's some guy on TikTok, like he's having his moment, but it's all good. Let's see. If I buy VIP, what amount do I have to take into account in order to be able to do the trades that you do in US 30? Thank you. Like that's gonna depend on your broker, bro, and like what the leverage they're giving you on indices. But I would say like at the bare minimum, you should have like 1,500 in your account. Like, but that's like at the bare minimum, bro. To trade US 30, an indice. You know, we've been trading with this guy for months, and we only lost yesterday. 19 wins in a row. Yeah. The guy says I don't know how to trade though. It's funny. He just wants to see the man. That's funny. Uh, you understand, like, what I'm trading here is a specific strategy. Like, this strategy isn't based on having a bias, isn't based on, you know, your previous daily highs and lows. You know, I understand there's tons of strategies out there, and they can be profitable strategies. But I trade like this for my London session, this strategy, every single live. And I've been streaming on YouTube for over a year, since like February of last year. And I just started on TikTok like in February. And this is what I use on my own regular trading. Like London, this is what I do. In New York, it's a completely different strategy. Anyone that's in my VIP can tell you, like, the strategy I use in my VIP for London's or for New York session is a completely different thing. But I don't talk about that in here because I'm not trying to confuse people. I'm trying to demonstrate what it takes to be consistent and profitable. That's coming on, doing the exact same thing over and over and over and over. Discipline with consistency. What is going on here? It says there's an error in my stream. You guys still seeing the chart okay? Yeah, my VIP trading is different. Well, the live, right? The New York session is because I'm trading an indice. So it's a completely different strategy. But you understand, like, when you're starting out, I don't even want to say when you're starting out, like, when you're trying to be consistent and profitable, it's critical that you don't try to jump around on different strategies. Like, you should just stick to one strategy, one trading plan, one pair, one session, like, and that's it. Like, just do that, because you have to master that first to then understand what all it takes for that to be consistent and profitable, and then you can move on into different pairs, different, you know, asset groups, different strategies, like whatever you want to do. Would I recommend getting in on today's swing trade on gold? Let me see it. Yeah, I mean, it's just about, I mean, it's in a little bit of drawdown, so you'd get a better entry price, but it's still valid, man. Still valid. Created a higher low, like, it's a swing trade. It'll be going for a little bit. I'm still in it, and I'll stay in it. I'm not gonna share that trade with everybody because that's the trade I send out to my VIP, right? Like, what's the point of the VIP if I'm giving it to everybody else? And that's on a different. That's a swing trade. Like, that's not a breakout strategy. It's a swing trade. And I like to send out intraday or swing trades to the VIP because it gives you guys time to get in. You know, it's not always like when you're executing trades right away, sometimes you guys don't get the notification right away or don't see it right away. And, you know, like that can affect you guys. So I want to give you guys the best opportunity to be getting into trades. So what I like to send out is intraday and swing trades on the VIP, besides like my New York session. Ephraim, yo, what's up? What's good, brother? We about to make that moolah Lord Bank style. Trying to, baby, trying to. We're gonna let the market let us know what's up. But I will tell you this: look at this little level of support that it's creating here, and potentially it's about 20 pips right there. So if we get this candle, this 15-minute candle, close here with support, then I can move this range thing up here and target here and here. Gotta be dynamic. Gotta be dynamic. Always adjusting the price. We have a little range right here, but I don't think that's good enough. No, it's 12 pips. It's not good enough. I'm running a copier to auto copy your trades in VIP. That's funny. That you do whatever you want, brother. I have been with banks for a week and I've collected about 500 pips in all my trades just a week. Nice. Congrats, brother. I'm happy to see you guys are eating. Even if you don't jump in the VIP, guys, like, you cannot underestimate the London session. Like, we kill it London session too, you know? There's plenty. I give plenty of opportunity. It's not even just VIP. I mean VIP will definitely increase, you know, your your wins and stuff, but you have opportunity here as well. Mark Linder said, "Bro, I have a whole Forex conspiracy, but I don't think you're ready to hear it." What is it, bro? I'm sure I probably already heard it. How do I join your VIP? The link is in the description, guys. I have a lifetime promo if you're looking to jump into the lifetime promo deal. Otherwise, it's $150 a month. The lifetime promo is only going to be available during the live stream. That's just for, you know, for the guys that are joining the live stream. I appreciate the support, and that's what I'm here, kind of showing my appreciation for that. Hey Banks, what is your net pips on London yesterday after that gold knockout? It was 40 pips on the first GJ, and then 50 pips on the second, 90, and then we lost 20 on gold, so 70 pips on London session yesterday. The swing trades, they're based on the 4 hour, like 4 hour zones, but the execution comes on the 1 hour, except for gold. Gold, I do the 1 hour zones and 15-minute like patterns. So on the 15-minute, I'm focusing on like market structure being set up. Jesus, I'm sorry guys. I'm gonna have to get this internet thing fixed. If you go on TradingView, you can insert 12-minute time frame, 43-minute time frame, etc., etc., infinite amount of time frames, each with different close. So does that mean our setups never mattered? Man, that's a good question, bro. I mean, I'll tell you that, like, how do I put this? Do you understand? Do you understand? Like, if me and you both take a trade on the same pair, like let's say we're in GJ and I buy GJ and you sell GJ. Do you understand? We both could make money. Like, if my buy lands within your sell, within your like stop loss amount, I could still make profit and get out by the time it changes directions and goes into profit for your sell. It's the same concept. So it's like there's no real right or wrong, and there's no like one like end all strategy. Like, that doesn't exist. Like, if you hold long enough, it will eventually come back into your direction, you know. Now the question is, can you get good entries and predict or have good enough stop losses to where it's not kicking you out? Like, have you ever like been trading and you're on a streak of you just barely get stopped out and then it goes your direction? Like, how many people have had that issue where the trade, your analysis was right and you got stopped out by a few pips and then it goes your direction straight into profits? So it's like, you know, you have to adjust to what the market is giving you. And like I talk about this all the time, why I think it's so important that you should be journaling your trades, because like if you're not journaling your trades, you're going to continue to take those losses. Like how do you recognize those patterns? Like, people were asking me, why don't you trade Mondays and Fridays? Because after I review my trading journal, I was noticing 85 to 90% of my losses were coming on Mondays and Fridays. I don't know whether it's like the market or myself, whatever, but the majority of my losses were coming on Mondays and Fridays. So when I cut those out, dude, we went on a 3-week winning streak, 19-0. That's crazy, right? And I just made one small change. Change was I just cut Mondays and Fridays. Now, most people be like, "Oh, well, you're not gonna trade Mondays and Fridays? Like that's 2 days. You could have trades, blah blah blah." I don't care, man. Like I'm looking at the data. I'm looking at my trading journal, and my data said I'm getting like the majority of my losses on Mondays and Fridays. I cut them out, and my win rate, dude, I calculated my win rate today. It's a 96%. 96% win rate. That is ridiculous. Like, as a trader, most traders want a 51% win rate. Like, just an edge to win just a little bit more than they lose. Now, some may say that's crazy and impossible, but I mean, we've been doing it live. Like, you guys have been trading with me, so it's crazy. You sure we cut Monday and Friday because if trading it was because you wanted more sleep? No, man, no. I mean, I mean, like, it was my losses were coming on Mondays and Fridays. My losses were coming on Mondays and Fridays. As CJ needed to study. That's funny. Do you log your trades and overview them online, or do you write them? I write them on paper. I write them on paper because writing them down commits them to memory, and when I'm reviewing it, like I'm writing out my notes to that. So I used to do it like digitally on my computer, but that doesn't really help me. So I write them all. I write them down. Write them out. On Mondays and Fridays, you should do the opposite of what your strategy tells you to do. Yeah, I mean that could be a solution, but I mean, I don't want to be flip flopping and switching on my strategy. Like, my strategy is working phenomenally Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So I'll continue to do that. Yeah, and I, oh, what the hell? Oh, there it goes. Yeah, like I recommend guys, like, you focus on that, like, and this moved down. It didn't really hold that support there. I know my stream is lagging, like, and it's lagging is because, so my Ethernet cable, the like wired in, is not wanting to work. The only thing that's working is my Wi-Fi. So that's why the stream is like messing up. Let me see if I can fix it real quick. Hang on one second, guys. Yeah, I already did the disable and then re-enable, but I don't know, man. Like, why it does that? And then, like, when it picked it up, it was saying it was having conflicts with the IP address. Like, yeah, it says unidentified network. Something happened, man. Something happened, glitched out, and then my Ethernet internet like direct is not working. Stream is actually okay. It's a sound. Reset / restart your router, but not, but not now. Yeah, not now. Yeah, I don't know, man. And then like the Wi-Fi that it's connected to is like my general one, not like my faster one. And I can't connect it to my faster one because I don't know the password. Glitch in the matrix. Yeah, no, I only have one cable wired from the router, and it's straight into my desktop. Everything else is on Wi-Fi. That's why the Wi-Fi 2 is like slower and laggy because all my other devices are connected to it. Like I have 3 phones, an iPad, like 4 laptops, you know, my smart TVs, PS5, like it's a lot of things. Need to turn router off, PC off, turn router on, PC on. Yeah, I can't do that right now. I'm gonna have to do that after, before the New York stream. I'll fix it. Man, it's flexing. I'm not trying to flex. I'm just saying there's a lot of devices connected to that Wi-Fi, and that's why it's not gonna be fast. Like I literally specifically ran a hard wire to my desktop because the Wi-Fi was crappy. Like, well, not crappy, but it wasn't dependable. Like, because you know when you hardwire it, it's a way faster. Because it's not my PC. Like the PC is running optimal. Like for the stream, it's only using 2%. Oh my gosh! Here comes this freaking. Somebody get rid of this guy. What doesn't share with any other in the street? Oh, a lease line connected? Yeah, no. I actually have like business internet. When I stop my this guy. I know GJ's what you share, but what's the harm in going over your idea for GU? I have an idea, but I'm only asking for your thoughts on it. No, I'm just, my thoughts on GU is a different strategy, and I don't want to confuse people on, like, especially if you're not consistent and profitable and trying to master something. Like what I do here is only this strategy, so you won't be confused on what you should be taking, you know? Look at this little level of support that it's making right here. But I mean, I can show you right here, dude. Like, it's not anything special. Look at GU. See this downward movement and then the breakout retest, overall pushing up. This is just a pullback. Looks like it's ready to continue moving up, target higher levels. Like that's what it is. Now entries and target levels and all that stuff, I'm just gonna send out to my VIP whenever it's ready. Being patient here, guys. Today's trade is taking a while to set up. I think it's just because of the ugly price action that we've seen moving towards the past. I'm currently in an FTMO challenge. I'm in the last leg to be funded. Once I get funded, I will sub to VIP. I could really use some help. Yeah, bro. I know I had. There's people already in there that are passing their challenges. That's another thing, you know, with the VIP. I've done challenges in the past, and I was asking them today, like, what their favorite prop firm is, so we can set one up and we can pass it together, like, you know. Said I can see you driving a big ass Ford Raptor. Actually, I drive a Benz. I just got a Benz. For my birthday, I bought myself a new car, and I got myself a watch and a new phone. It was like my gifts to myself, I guess, you know. Besides taking the month off to travel and just hang out. But before that, I used to drive a Cadillac. Like, I love Cadillac. Yeah, I was out for the whole month of of April. But with my VIP, like, I still sent trades to my VIP, because you know, although I was out, I was still trading. I just wasn't doing lives. And GJ's popping up. Got about 9 minutes left on this candle. If this closes with this level of support, we can move this up here and then target this level. So you're trying to get an entry when prices drop around the retest level? No, on GU, yeah, on GU that's something completely different. On this gold and GJ, I'm just looking for a breakout. Looking for a breakout. Yeah, actually, it's my first Mercedes. I like, honestly, like, the only reason I got it was because like, I like the ambient lighting inside, the whole, like, color changing and stuff. That was the reason I went with it, because I liked it. I liked the ambient lighting. I've been trading since 2014. Oh, it's got to close, but let's measure this. It's about 22 pips. First target here is about 21. Oh, it's close. It's still not breaking above. It's got to close above, guys. It's got to close above. So we're still not in. It's 7 minutes left, and it's rejecting. So that's not good price action. We have a huge wick of rejection. Then price action wise, it's telling me that it may want to start retracing and moving down. So it depends on how this sets up. Right now, the risk to reward is not there. Talking about, man, that's way too close. You got to give room for the spread. 23 pip for 21 gain. It's a 0.91 risk to reward. Still being patient, guys. Still being patient. 6.5 minutes. 6.5 minutes, and look at the rejection. Fat rejection. Fat rejection. Would you guys trade that? Fat rejection. Fat rejection, guys. How long did it take for you to become profitable? Honestly, like the first couple of years, I wasn't. I want to say I was gambling. You know, I didn't know what I was doing, and I would make some money, but I would just lose it all, and then I would like make some and then lose it all, and it wasn't consistent. I wasn't profitable. I kept trying to make like huge amounts right away and blowing accounts and stuff until I started focusing on the skill, focusing on risk management, having a plan, being methodical with it. Like that's when I started to see some consistency, and it wasn't like an exact moment, but it was just like I realized like, oh wow, like this is like I'm a month in that I'm making withdrawals every week, and you know, after then I never looked back. That's why I tell you guys, like, don't focus on the money, focus on the skill, because when you chase the money and you focus on the money, you'll never have it. It will always slip your grasp, and you want to stay focused on the skill, because focusing on the skill will help you improve and want to get better entries, better setups. Like you want it to play out in your favor, right? And that's when you're focusing on the skill. You start focusing on, oh, I want to make so much money. That leads you to over trading, marrying trades, revenge trading, you know, being emotional with the markets. You have to emotionally detach yourself, and you can't let it sway your decisions. Or, you know, if you're trading out of like desperation because you need the money, you're gonna be looking at the charts and you're gonna see something that's not even there, and that causes incorrect analysis. And bro, CJ, you're not in the VIP, bro? Really? I'm disappointed, brother. What? What? Again. What the hell? Do you take PayPal? Yeah, PayPal's an option on the VIP. Oh my gosh. Like, yeah, we're not going to talk about network marketing companies in here. Like, that is just... Like, I mean, I'm not, you know, if you're a network marketer and you make money, like, I'm not knocking your hustle. Do your thing. But I'm like more about actually trading, you know? I'm not trying to sell other people a repackaged dream to make money. I want to make money from the markets, from trading, you know? That's all I'm going to say about that. So I don't want to I don't want to offend anybody, and the next thing I know I get a whole crowd of people spamming because they're offended. I'm just here trading, doing my thing, man, minding my own business. I don't want to talk about other traders. I don't want to talk about other, none of that. Like, we are just here doing our thing. Got a minute left on that. Oh, GJ's trying to break. I really hope it doesn't break because this candle is too big. It's too big for me to justify that risk to reward. We got 50 seconds. If it's the next candle, it'll be nice because then, you know, our stop will be a lot smaller and it'll be worth it. Agreed with you, Lord Banks. Make money from the markets, not signing up others. Yeah, I signed up in your VIP and I don't receive all your signals on your Telegram. What do you mean, bro? I mean, are you getting the alerts? DM me on Instagram. We'll figure that out. How many VIP members do you have? I don't know. I think there's like 120. How many VIP members are in there? 119. 119. Where can we see your results? On the lives on YouTube, you can go back and watch the lives. Alright, so see how that thing melted? Wow. Okay, so this has a smaller stop. Maybe this won't be the one that breaks. We got 15 minutes on that, so we'll wait. Gold. It did create this level of support here. And we'll adjust. Because, oh man, it's 16 pips. It's tight, man. It's tight. But it's possible. So we'll look at something like that. But hopefully it's not like a huge candle that breaks down this way. If it is, the risk to reward won't make sense. So I moved it up. We'll watch it. Be patient. It is 201. So we have, see, and this thing is moving down now. See that? The risk to reward is still going to be crappy. So want to be patient and wait. Yeah, let me see. Time London. Yeah, it's 8:01. Officially London open. Should get some volume in here. And this might just be pulling down, grabbing some liquidity before it shoots up. But this doesn't really follow my rules, so if that happens and, you know, I miss it, I miss it. I'm not gonna trade something. And dude, YouTube is really lagging. Like, I'm seeing it go in like way late. But I don't want to like restart it. Like, I have no, I wish the freaking, it's because I'm on the Wi-Fi, man. The Wi-Fi is lagging, dude. You guys are getting everything like, I think 10-15 seconds behind. Hopefully if there's an entry, it's not too behind. That's another reason why I did the hardwire, because execution on market execution, when you're jumping into a trade, it's important to, you know, get in right away. I'm not in a trade right now, guys. I'm waiting either a breakout, measuring to see if it's worth it for a risk to reward, or waiting for gold. Ugh. Yeah, I'm not in a trade, guys. I was just measuring this previous one when it was like breaking out of there. Like, all I'm doing is watching, not in a trade. This is just in case it does break and I can measure to see if it's gonna be worth it and something I want to get into. But right now it's not, doesn't look good. I'm not in a trade right now, guys. Not in a trade. No, I don't do pending orders, so I don't do any. And just notice that Lord offers a free course. Click on the link below. Yeah, it's a mini course for newbie traders. Like if you don't know charts and the background of what we're doing and how to get started, like that you need a broker account and all that. That's what the newbie trader mini course is. It's free. You can sign up for that if you want. Gold is still. Yeah. I think we might have a better chance on gold, to be honest. And a potential sell. Oh, what the hell? Be about 10 pip stop. Targeting first target here. We're not in a trade, guys. I'm just measuring to see what this looks like for a potential setup. We have about 10 minutes left on the candle. Candle has to close below or close above. We're waiting on that and on GJ. They're both kind of at their target levels here. You just real, bro. Dope. Appreciate it, man. Like, I try to be as transparent as possible. Who was your mentors? The market, man. The market was my mentor. I don't like to call my L's losses. I call them lessons that I paid for. And yeah, man, those lessons turned into trading rules, and here I am now. How you even use tick charting? What do you mean? I don't get it. I got my bar color set to the opposite of yours, confusing me. Yeah, I mean, that's on you, brother. You're gonna have to fix that. Being patient, guys. Being patient. Being patient. Being patient. I took sell on gold now. Oh. Well, I hope it plays out for you, brother. Oof, look at that. There's no top wick though either. 7.5 minutes on this. Not gonna lie, bro. Back when I was a newbie, I blew my account because I hit Alt plus I on TradingView. And my oh yeah, you inversed it. You inversed it. I know a lot of people that do that to like, cause there's like a statistic of people that are better taking buys or better taking sells, so they inverse their charts to kind of combat that. I'm not in a trade, guys. I'm not in a trade. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. My Instagram is the same as my YouTube. Everything's the same name. Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube. Lord Banks with the ZFX all together. No underscores, no letters. No numbers, no spaces. Just LORDBANKZFX. I will never add you on any of those social media platforms asking you for money or asking you to contact me on WhatsApp, send me crypto, have me trade for you. None of that. None of that. Tell us why you set that colors. Thank you. I set the colors because one day we were on the live stream and everybody was complaining about the colors, that they weren't like good enough to see on the stream and on TikTok, and so we went through choosing colors until you guys were like, okay, those colors look good, we can see it good, and that's why you see the colors as the way they are now. Do you do this every day? I'm new, like doing trade live. Yeah, I trade Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Guys, if you're new here, welcome to Lord Banks FX. I am your host, Lord Banks. I live trade Forex, commodities, and indices Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, 12 a.m. Central Standard Time to 4 a.m. Central Standard Time, London session. New York session, I only trade with my VIP members through a Zoom link. So it's about 11 pip. Got about 5 minutes left on the candle. We might have a trade on gold here if it doesn't completely melt. Okay. No, gold trade is not. I'm not in gold. I wait for the candles to close, guys. I wait for the candles to close. I don't do pending orders. I only do market execution. I will tell you when I get into a trade. I'm not in a trade right now. There's 4 minutes left on the candle. Gold is pushing down right now. It's pushing at us. Like, if it closes right here, look at the risk to reward to the first target level. 0.69. Risking 15 pips for 10. That's not good risk to reward ratio. Yeah, and she's just melting, like. And if we miss that, we miss that. Like, we're not chasing anything. No, I don't have sell stops. I don't use pending orders. It's all market execution, waiting for candle closure. I'm not in this. I wouldn't take it. I would maybe consider it if it closes and then it pulls back to maybe about this area. So if it pulls back kind of like yesterday into this area, then I'll take the sell, but I'm not taking the sell. Otherwise, it's 2.5 minutes, 2.5 minutes till it closes. 2.5 minutes till it closes. About a 12 pip stop. Oh, look, it's pulling back. If it pulls back above the red dash line, then I'm not getting in either. It has to close below. Has to close below, guys. It's about a 10 pip stop. Just getting ready here, guys. Got about 2 minutes left. Pulling back up above, so we wouldn't be getting into that. Needs to close below. Needs to close below. Oh man, that's right. Okay, we got about 40 seconds left here, 30 seconds, and it's just melting. That's not where I want to enter. I will think about entering if it pulls back to at least around here. About a 12 pip stop. I'm not entering there. Not entering there. Nope. 10 seconds left. No, she is just... She's gone. She's already gonna hit the first target. 3, 2, 1. Nope. Yep. Nope. No, I'm not entering that. If she pulls back up to up here, then I'll enter. But otherwise, I'm not. There's no bottom wick either, so I'm not entering on that. Oh, she's pulling up. She's pulling up. Not in yet. Not in yet. Not in yet. Like I said, if she pulls up to this price up here, I will enter. Nope. Nope, not yet. She's not gonna give us a chance. If she hits this level before coming up here, yeah, no. Nope. We don't got to trade, guys. We missed that. Missed it. Look at her melt. Damn. Yeah. And it's just because the size of the candle. Like, so the only potential we have now on this one is break below there. Back to our original setup. This price action here, it didn't give us no entry. So we can't do nothing about that. Let's look at GJ. Oh, GJ is looking nice. Come on, GJ. Are you the one? Are you the one? Got about 11 and a half minutes left on this candle. We're not in a trade yet, guys. We're just monitoring here to see if we can have a potential setup. Freaking mouse is like... Just monitoring. Alright, bro. Gotta go for more exams. We'll hop in VIP later. Alright, then, brother. That's fine. If she still wants to go up, we'll ride her all the way till she's had enough. Guys, oh my gosh. I'm getting like all these notifications right now. Okay. Yeah, man, this is what it takes. If you want to be consistent and profitable, you have to implore discipline. Discipline. You can't let the market try to bully you and try to jump in when you're seeing, like, no. It's either on our terms or we're not getting in. And if we miss a trade, it's okay. Because you know why? The market gives unlimited opportunities. Unlimited opportunities. So you don't have to catch everyone. You just have to make sure you are focused on what your plan is, what your strategy is, and is it matching up to that. Now, if it fits all of that and you still take an L, then that's fine. That is part of the game, right? You know, gold didn't want to play with us today, and it completely melted and threw us off the risk to reward. That's fine. That is fine. Because GJ looks like she wants to play. GJ looks like she wants to play. We've got about 8.5 minutes left here. If we get a close above here, we can enter. Obviously, if it flies up, ruins our risk to reward, then we don't want to enter. But let's just be patient. Let's be patient, see what it's doing. Okay, she's starting to break. She's starting to break. Come on, baby. Got about 8 minutes left on the candle. Patience, patience, patience. Yeah, gold is, I mean, GJ is just, I don't even know where she's getting all this volume from. Flying. Yeah, she's riding that trend straight up. Hey, if she wants to go up, who am I to stop her? Who am I to stop her? Six minutes. being patient, guys. Excuse me. It's 2:24 a.m. We are in London session. Hey guys, thanks for the likes, guys. Thanks for the subs. Thanks for sharing the stream. If you guys gained any kind of value today, enjoyed the stream, learned something, make sure you guys hit that like button and consider subscribing. I live trade Forex Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 12 a.m. Central Standard Time to 4 a.m. Central Standard Time. London session. All right, come on, baby. She's breaking here. Break it, baby. Break it. Break it. Break it. Got about 5 minutes. Got about 5 minutes. There you go. There you go. Okay. 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 Ooh. It's not a bad risk to reward there. Oh. Oh shit. Volume coming in. Volume coming in. Gotta be careful. Got 4.5 minutes. 4.5 minutes. Don't take off just yet. Don't take it. Just close right there. If you can close right there, it'd be perfect. Oh, come on now. Don't do that. Don't do that. It's okay if she establishes a top wick. That's lovely. I like it. Just pull back here and let me get an entry. Patience, 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 guys. Patience, patience, patience. Pulling all the way back. Look at her. You gonna play games today, GJ? Is that what we're doing? Is that what we're doing? Come on, GJ. Got 3 minutes left here. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Patience, man. This is why we wait. This is why we wait for candle closures. Look at that. If we'd have jumped in just on the break, look at the pullback drawdown you'd be in. Look at that. This could completely reverse. Be rejecting right here. I will tell you guys when I jump into the trade, guys. I'm not in right now. I'm waiting for candle closure. I want to read the price action, see if it's worth our risk to reward and if it makes sense. Right now, I wouldn't be getting in. It didn't close above. Candle needs to close above. We got 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Minute and a half. 50 seconds. 50 seconds. It doesn't look like we're going to get an entry here. It's still below the red dotted line. We needed to close above. We needed to close above. She's rejecting. 30 seconds. And she's rejecting heavy. She is rejecting heavy. 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Ten seconds. Not in a trade yet, guys. 3 seconds. She didn't close above. She's actually closing inside this candle. She's probably going to push down, guys. She's probably going to push down. But I want to measure one thing here. From here to here, it's 25 pips. That's a nice little nugget. So I'm going to move my range to right there and put a target level right here. Another target level down here. Obviously, if we break up here, we still have setup still valid. Not in a trade yet, guys. We're waiting patiently for the candle to close above or below, guys. Above or below. Close above or below. Above or below. Above or below. We got 13 minutes left on this candle. Just being patient. Being patient. This just gives us a better stop, you know. 10 pips, hell of a lot better than the 20 pips. TP1 is always at a 1-to-1, guys. TP1 is always at a 1-to-1. We got 12 minutes left here. She's rejecting. So got 11.5 minutes, guys. 11.5 minutes. Got 10 minutes, 10 and a half minutes. See what gold is doing. Look at that. Boom. That doesn't look good. I mean, shit. She's still playing within this range. Gotta give her time. Okay, it looks like GJ is breaking. Got 10 minutes left. We want a candle closure above. And that'll be confirmation enough for us to jump in. Patience, patience. Yeah, I just looked at gold. It's still playing within the range. We got 9.5 minutes, guys. She's pulling back. Got 8 minutes. 8 minutes. Hey guys, thanks for liking the stream. Thanks for the subs. Thanks for sharing the stream. We got 132 likes on YouTube, but we have like 400 people on here. Smash the like button, guys. If you gained any kind of value, learned anything, or just enjoying the stream. Hey, look, she's pushing down, pushing down. We got 7 minutes and 50 seconds. If she breaks down below, we'll do a... Oh, man, it's a huge wick. I hope it's not, but let's just measure it. Be about a 17 pip stop. If it goes down, either way, up or down, I'm waiting for a breakout. So just being patient. 7 minutes. 7 minutes. Oh, there she goes. There she goes. Excuse me, sorry. Just pulling up. We got about 6.5 minutes, guys. Being patient, being patient. She pulled up 6 minutes. No forced trades. No, sir. We're patient. We let the market come to us, to our setups. We don't let the market bully us. We're just being patient. Got 5 minutes left on this candle. And she's doing some ugly price action. Need to wait like a sniper for market to pop its head up or down. Yeah, exactly. Just being patient, man. Just show face where you want to go, up or down, and I'm good either way. I'm ready. Now she's going back up. What is you doing, GJ? She's playing weird, man. Oh my gosh. I'm running trading GJ at 163. What? 393 pips down because it did not hit my break even. I'm gonna do price action, leave it until now. Now she's going up. Jesus, 4 minutes. You tell me what you want to do, GJ. You tell me what you want to do. You want to go up? You want to go down? Got about 3.5 minutes left on this candle. She doesn't know what to do. Remember, guys, I'm only going to consider an entry if it breaks above or below and closes. Right now, it's making like a doji. Can't decide what it wants to do. Okay, 2.5 minutes. 2.5 minutes. Okay, you're gonna break up to the top. It's gonna be about a 16 pip stop. Well, got 2 minutes left here. 2 minutes left. Every time I put the tool here to measure the pip risk, like, she goes the other way. She's literally playing games today. She is literally playing games. It's 1 minute and 40 seconds. GJ's like, my wife can never make up her mind. Hey man, don't let your wife see that, man. She's gonna get after you. She's gonna be like, man, I heard you talking mess. Yeah, it's still not doing. I mean, it's 40 seconds. It's not doing anything. I can't I can't do anything with this. Like I don't know what it's gonna do. This is an indecision candle. Like, can't go up, can't go down. It's doesn't know what to do. And I hope the next one is not like a rocket, because we're gonna miss it and it's gonna suck. It's 2:44 a.m. Being patient, being patient. Nope. So it wasn't that candle. Will it be this one? Oh, this would be nice. It's like a nice little 10 pip stop. I'm not in a trade, guys. I'm not in a trade, just waiting, just being patient. Just being patient. Letting the market come to me. Being patient. This is what trading is, guys. This is what trading is. We're not in a buy or sell. I'm just measuring what the pip risk would be if it's gonna break above, because it looked like that's the direction it wanted to go, but now it's coming down, so there's no telling right now. There's no telling. I'm just gonna wait. Just gonna wait. Wait and be patient. Sometimes it does that, you know, like sometimes the price action is clean and, you know, you get a push, a break, clear direction, break above, nice wicks, and moving like this right here is ugly. This is ugly. These wicks up here, these wicks down here, like indecision. Now you got this big long body candle to the downside, no wick to the top. Like, it is not pretty, guys. It's not pretty. If you're new here, welcome to Lord Banks FX. I'm your host, Lord Banks. I live trade Forex, commodities, and indices. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 12 a.m. Central Standard Time to 4 a.m. Central Standard Time. London session. Be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you're notified when I go live. And welcome. Welcome, welcome. We trade the breakout strategy on during London, where we identify a range, wait for a breakout candle closure above or below, and then we take our trade. Right now, it's not doing a damn thing. She is just consolidating at this point. We will get a break. To which side? I don't know. We got about 11 and a half minutes left on this candle. So we'll wait. Looks like maybe gold is going to give an opportunity to the upside if it breaks and closes above here. If it breaks and closes above here, we can buy it, take it up. We'll watch gold for a little bit because GJ is being weird. Excuse me. Yeah, guys, the lifetime promo is only going to be open during the live stream. So for an hour and 10 minutes. Otherwise, it's $150 a month for the VIP. The link is in the description, in the bio. Bro, what is this guy spamming? Jesus Christ. What? You have a tick, bro. You need to stop clearing your throat or I'm out. It's so annoying. You must be on stimulants. Well, how about this, bro? Like, and you can leave. Please don't spam the chat. Like, if if you have a problem with my voice or the way I talk, or I don't know what your deal is, you don't have to come on the stream, guys. I don't know what to tell you. It's crazy. Yeah, I don't like you, but I stay and annoy you anyway. Yeah, it's crazy. Yeah, I removed out of control. Yeah, please don't spam. Like, it's so annoying. You understand? There's like hundreds of other people in here. Like, way to be selfish, AJ. You know? Got about 8 minutes left on this candle. Ooh, gold looks like she's breaking above. Gold is breaking above. So that would be about a 13 pip stop. If it breaks above here. What did he say? He said that he didn't like that how I cleared my throat. Like I can't clear my throat, bro. Dang. Ah, come on now. Don't fly. Don't fly. Just give me a nice entry, baby. It's about a 15 pip stop. I'm gonna calculate my risk. Oh, please come back down. Please come back down. She's not breaking above yet, so be careful. There's volatility coming in. What? Bro, what is going on here? Can someone... Where's Sunny? Can you handle this? Thanks, cause I'm trying to trade here. I'm trying to trade, guys. I'm trying to trade. Gold is looking nice. Got about 5.5 minutes left here. 5.5 minutes. Come on. Dang, what's going on in the market today, man? Like, nothing wants to flow correctly. Got about 4.5 minutes left, guys. What I'm looking for here is a close above this red line. If we can get a close above, I will take a buy on gold. If we can get a close above. I feel like the market is listening to me every time I say what I'm looking for to enter, it starts doing the opposite. And these guys are coming out of the woodworks today. Like, why can't we just have a good stream, trade together, make some money together, and that's it? Like, why is it gotta be all... Okay, so this thing is not setting up, but maybe GJ is. Looks like GJ might be setting up for a buy. Got 3 minutes left here. Stops below here, about 16 pip stop. It's just about 1-to-1 risk. Ugh, this is ugly price action, man. If I take this, I'm gonna take half my normal risk. Like if you normally risk 2%, only risk 1%. If you normally only risk 1%, risk 0.5%. Because this is ugly, guys. I mean, but the rules are there and it's semi following it. We got 2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. A minute and a half. A minute and a half. Look at her pulling back underneath. Wow, man. These markets are not full, and it's Wednesday, man. Like, should not have this issue today. It's already 3. We got 1 hour left on the stream. Haven't taken a trade. Pushing up. Yeah, I don't even know why they want to be enemies. Like, it's that guy that he didn't like the sound of my voice or what? That how I was clearing my voice. We got 30 seconds left here, guys. She's pushing down. She's not setting up, so 20 seconds. We won't enter unless it closes above. We won't enter unless it closes above. Yep, she did not. She hasn't set up. Let's see gold. Nope. Neither did gold. Alright, yeah. Yeah. Can you please explain? Oh, again. Where is this? I don't even know how to control that. Like, just ignore that guy. I don't know why. What's wrong with him? He must be on a losing streak. Today looks funny. Yeah, man, it's not. Nothing is really playing out the way it should. But this is what I talk about, like patience, guys. Because you see, if you were over eager to take a trade, you would have taken a trade, and it could have gone against you. You know. Look, this one is looking like nice setup, but we have 13 minutes left on this. This could easily like fly up here. You know, I doubt it's gonna just stay right here. Bro, how many channels does this guy have? Like, he's like, how do I? All right, let me see what I can do over here. So I changed some settings. I gotta get that bot thing. Jesus, because 3 hours gone, nothing wants to trigger. Yeah, but that's what I'm saying. It, like, I talk about patience, right? You can't be so eager to jump into a trade that you just take anything. Like, it has to follow your plan, your strategy, and like your rules. Because if you're so eager to want to jump into something that you start ignoring your rules, your consistency is out the window. You're not going to be able to measure your progress because you're not following your rules. Like, you know, we've been on this stream for 3 hours, and you see how close we've been to something, and it not. It's about this. This is what matters. When trading is like this, you have to manage your emotions to say, I'm only going to take what meets my rules. And if it doesn't meet, it doesn't meet. Like, and if we don't take a trade during the live session, we don't take a trade. Like, we're not going to force ourselves, we're not going to allow the market to bully us into taking something that is not meant to be, right? Look at this, is super ugly, super ugly. All these wicks, like, this is ugly, ugly. This is nothing like what you want to see when trying to take a trade. Nothing. Like, I don't even know if I want to take that buy there anymore, because look at all these wicks. Like, you mean we're just going to come up to these wicks and then fall down? And it could just be like an indication of like we're getting ready to reverse, and it makes sense because look, we're at this gray area. This is the 4 hour. Remember when I marked this up? That's the 4 hour area. You know, so yeah, guys, I turned the comments only to people that are subscribed. So if that guy wants to comment, he's gonna have to subscribe. And I put that slow mode or whatever on, like, so he can't repeatedly send messages. No trade, no loss of money. Yeah, that's still a win. That's still a win. That's how you should associate it, guys. That if you have a no trade day, it's still a win. Why? Because we didn't lose any money. What's the number one rule? Protect your capital. What's the number two rule? Don't lose money. Right? Super, super simple. And if it doesn't do what we want and it's moving weird, it moves weird, and we won't trade that. Like, any link for... Yeah, the lifetime promo link is in the description, guys. It's only going to be online during the stream. After the stream, I'm taking it off. And you'll have to pay the monthly. Unless you get the course pre-sale bundle. That includes lifetime. Look, GJ's. Every time I look at GJ, man, my internet is just lagging. Lagging, man. I gotta fix that after the stream. So look, now this is potentially breaking, but there's 7.5 minutes left. So it could easily just come back down, reject. Yeah, man, I don't know what the heck's going on here. Oh man, come on. Yeah, the live is lagging. Sorry, TikTok is the only one that's getting the... Sorry guys, my internet is just crap right now because it's on Wi-Fi and the hardwire doesn't want to connect. I don't know why. I mean, it's connected, but it doesn't want to pick it up. Yeah, I know guys, sorry. Like, we got 6.5 minutes on the candle though. Hopefully it clears up. What a day. Six minutes left. Bro, I just call this strategy the breakout strategy. Like, I don't, this isn't, it's not like an official, like, I just call it the breakout strategy because I'm leveraging volume in a breakout. It's like the initial part of a break and retest, but I'm just trading the break part, if that makes sense. So, you know, I'm sure everyone is like familiar with the break and retest. That's like the most common strategy out there. So instead of trading the break and waiting for a retest for a longer term type of trade, I'm just trading the break. And like this thing is just flying. It's not even going to give us a chance. The subscription price for the VIP monthly is $150. But right now I have the promo on for 375. So you can pay one time 375 and you don't have to pay the monthly fee. Yeah, sorry about the buffering, guys. I can't do anything about that right now. Like, otherwise this stream will end, and then my whole thing will disconnect, and I have my trading terminal here, and I don't want to do that. We got 4.5 minutes left here. About a 10 pip stop if this closes above. Oof. She is just like she don't know what she wants to do. We got 3.5 minutes. About an 8 pip stop, 9 pip stop. Whenever it's like 8, 9 pips, I always just round it to 10. Cause I don't know, I just like the round number 10. Well, look at, she's back underneath. She's not gonna, she doesn't want to give us a chance. Two and a half minutes, guys. 2.5 minutes. Two minutes. She's back underneath. Wow. Wow. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Something's going on though. This market is just trash. Trash, guys. I don't even know. Like, got a minute left. Okay, she's coming up. Just be careful with the amount of risk, guys. Use half of your normal risk if we enter this. We got 40 seconds. We got 40 seconds. If she closes above, we'll enter buy. 40 seconds. 40 seconds, guys. 40 seconds. Oh, 18 seconds now. 15. She's not there. Okay. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, I'm jumping in, guys. Jumping in and a buy, jumping in and buy, guys. Jumping in and a buy. Jumping in and buy. Put your stops below the previous wick on the 15-minute. Okay, and our first take profit should be, oh man, my thing is lagging. Such a horrible trading day. One-to-one. Remember, once we get to the one-to-one, we're adjusting our stops to break even. Closing partials. Come on, baby, push up. Come on now. It's way too close. Way too close. Yep. Stopped out. Stopped out. Wow. She didn't even have a chance. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Yeah, I'm stopped out on that. Stopped out on it, yeah. She just melted. That's why I told you guys, use half the risk, because look at that. She wasn't ready for that. Horrible price action. Yeah. And watch her pull up, watch. Oh man. Yeah, that thing just, like, I mean, it didn't even, it's like, went in 2 pips profit. Now it's gonna reverse, like, I'm telling you, this is horrible price action here. Just ugly. Just ugly. Good. Yeah, that's what I told you guys. Like, when you see it like this, and not following your rules right away, automatically reduce the amount of risk you're gonna put on, because that's what happens. You see, our rule is it breaks above, closes above, you put your stops below previous wick, and this thing just came, shot down, stopped us out, and look, pulling up. Like, horrible, but the good thing is, you know, I only risked 1% on this trade, so yeah, I mean, this was the only trade we've taken so far, hit stop. So gold, let's see, she's pumping down. She's still in this range. So we got about 40 minutes left on the stream. You know, we can wait for a setup here. and watch GJ. Yes, sir. L's for lessons. And I gave it a chance because I mean it was breaking, right? It followed the rules, but that price action that was before it, it was just ugly. Ugly. And honestly, I think this is just grabbing liquidity and it's gonna push up. Because I think GJ is at a point of like reversal on a higher time frame. If we look at it, see it's the zone is right up there. It's been pumping up like heavy. So all good, all good. Yeah. Honestly, like I would just avoid the wicks. Cause that looks ugly. This was just an 8 pip loss. 8 pip loss. I mean, it's not too early. It's more like it's late because remember our strategy is based on volume on the pre-market and market open. It's 9:22. Like by this time we already made our win. Yeah. It's all good. Man, my internet is lagging horribly. Horribly. GBP news? What GBP news? talking about this news, the PMI, or this 10-year bond auction. Well, none of these are. I only pay attention to the red folders. Look at gold. What did I say? Just grabbing that liquidity. Pumping up. Pumping up. And you know what? Wow. Man, that thing went on a rampage. Oh. He's like, I think you should chill for today. That's funny. Pick my another stop loss. Same here. Today, everything is messed. Not your internet, not the markets. That's funny. Yeah, I just took one trade on GJ. It was an 8 pip stop. Hit the stop. I told you guys before we took it to only use half your normal risk because it was ugly. And she came and stopped us out right away. So we got about 30 minutes left on the stream. Just seeing if anything else sets up here for us to take. Otherwise, we will just call it at that. I'm not going to force any trades. Like, if it's there, I'll take it. If not, I will not. Yeah, man. So just weird movement on the markets today. We got about 25 minutes, 28 minutes left on the stream. GJ's coming down now. And so is gold. That's funny. Don't need to spend here. Don't like the way the market is today. Yeah, it's running really weird, man. I'm out until US 30. Alright, then, brother. See you for New York session. Yeah, the markets were ugly today. Ugly. Nothing really played out the way it should. Nothing. You see gold pulling back up, and GJ's pushing down. Yep. Got about 20 minutes left on the stream, guys. No horns today, yeah, man. It's just one of those days. It's all good, though. We've been killing it on winning streaks and back-to-back wins. You can't let, like, one of these days shake you to where you can't come back, you know, the next day. Like, you know? It's just one of those days. The market wants to be like that. You can't control the market. All we can do is prepare, plan, and execute. And if the market decides to do something different, that is on the market. That's crazy how that. Yeah, ugly day today. Ugly day. Are you still in GJ? What are you in a buy or a sell? See you tomorrow. Yes, see you tomorrow. Got about 13 minutes left here. I was just looking at other setups for higher time frames. Looks like GJ may be finally breaking down here. Got about 12 minutes left on this candle. Oh, it's breaking. Pulling back. If it breaks and closes following the strategy, I'm not going to take it, but if you guys want to take it, wait till the candle closes, and it must be below the red line. Yeah, I'm not going to take it because yeah, the end of the stream is literally at the close of this candle. Yeah, and she's been. No, I'm not in. I'm not in trade, guys. Well, I'm still in the gold swing that I sent out to my VIP, but for a different account. But for the London session, I'm not in any trades. I took a buy here on GJ and it hit stops because GJ is just moving weird. Just pumping back up. Got 10 minutes left on the stream, guys. There's no trade. We tried to take one trade here on GJ. Hitter stops. Market is choppy today. Not looking great. This setup on here is just if it breaks down below here at the close of the candle, which will be the end of our stream. Just so you have a potential setup if you guys wanted to take that. I'm not taking it. I've had enough. I've had enough of London session. I've had enough of London session. Yeah, for my VIP, I'll be on for New York. Got about 8.5 minutes left. 8.5 minutes left on the stream. Crappy markets today. Look at that. Nothing wants to be respected. About 7 minutes left, guys. 7 minutes left. Yeah, I wouldn't look for buys unless you're breaking above here. I was just saying sells because it was coming down here. But she's been moving weird, man. The New York Live for my VIP, I send out the Zoom link in the Telegram around 6:30. So in about 2.5 hours. Got about 6.5 minutes left, guys. You done to do a live with me? I don't. Do you do live streams or what? What do you FX Yepes? Where is? Do you live trade on your channel or what? Yes, did one yesterday. What session do you do? I mean, I already do London on myself, and so where do I go to try and get funded? Oh, I mean, I don't know. That's up to you, bro. Like whatever prop firm you want to use, if you want to go to that. You talking about for the challenge and the VIP? Awesome setup you got there. FTMO, bro. You talking about the trade setup, or you talking about my streaming setup? About 5 minutes left on this candle. Looks like she's pushing down. London too. Oh, okay. Yeah, DM me, man, and I'll check it out and see what's up. I mean, I'm not opposed to it, but yeah, I think I'm doing an interview with Trading Nut next week. He emailed me. Yeah, for the VIP challenge. Oh yeah, well I'm waiting to see what everybody says, which prop firm they want to do, and then set a date. I wouldn't buy it right now, right this second, because like we gotta come to a consensus on which firm, and then set a date for everyone to buy their challenge, and then we can all do it together. Look at GJ. I mean, I swear, this is like the weirdest I've seen it move in a long time. Thank you, I will. And how long you been trading for? I've been trading since 2014, bro. Like, it's almost like 9 years or something. I've only been live streaming though since on YouTube, like last year in February. Look at that. Makes no sense. It makes no sense. It's crazy. Dude, I'm done with this. I am done with this London session. It's crazy. Like, nothing played out good today. Horrible market day. Like, and it makes no sense. Yeah, no, I know that. I know it's been pushing up. Like, I know that most definitely. Like, you, this strategy though is just a quick scalp, looking to get 10, 15, 20 pips. So even in an up channel, you have pullbacks. You know. But this is just not playing ball with any of the setups. Got about a minute and a half left here, guys, on the stream. All we took today was one GJ trade that we tried to take a buy on and hit stops, and that's all she wrote for today. It looks like she might be consolidating now for a bit. And it makes sense because we've been pushing up like crazy and we have this level up here. So we might just consolidate for a bit before we get a price reversal. Or I mean, it could come and pump up into here. I don't know. One way or the other. That's crazy. Yeah, GJ's just been weird. Got about 40 seconds left here, guys, on the stream. Today all we took was one trade, hit our stops, 8 pip stop, and yeah. Tomorrow will be another day. I'll be back on, same time, same place, and hopefully the markets are moving a little better. If you're in my VIP New York live session, I will send the Zoom link out in the Telegram here in about 2.5 hours. I'll send that out, and we will live trade US 30. Yeah, GJ is just weird. Alright, I'm done, guys. I'm out. I will see you guys tomorrow. Hey, thanks so much for the love. Thanks so much for the likes, the subscribers. Like, make sure you're hitting the notification bell so you're notified when I go live. And yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace and blessings. Appreciate it.